Let's get into this taco spaghetti that I have seen on TikTok. What you need for this is some ground beef, some queso cheese, spaghetti noodles, your peppers, onions, taco season, rotel, beef broth, heavy cream. You're going to dice up your onions and peppers, as you can see here. And then you're going to go ahead and put your meat. And then you're going to add your peppers. And then you're going to season it. While we're doing that, go ahead and boil your noodles and take them out to al dente. So then you're going to drain your meat after it's all the way cooked. Then you're going to add your beef broth and your can of rotel. This is after it is drained. Make sure you drain it off. Then you're going to add your taco seasoning. You're going to give this a good stir. Then you're going to add your queso cheese, and then you're going to pour in some heavy whipping cream. You really don't need that much, but go ahead and pour it in. You're going to give this all a stir. So while you're stirring this up in this mix, go ahead and add your noodles in there. So then now you just give this a good stir, and so it looks like this. Now me, after mine had cooked, I let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes because I wanted it to settle in. So this is how it looked when it settled in. It's very creamy and thick. Baby, this was so good. Everyone loved it. This is my first time making it. Shout out to TikTok for having these new meals. And I whipped up me some garlic bread, and here's the after effect. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share.